Planning to buy or sell a house in the Philippines. It sounds complicated, but here's a quick guide to make it simple. For sellers, start by preparing your key documents: the original title, TCT or CCT, and the latest tax declaration. Make sure your title is clean. Next, agree on the price with your buyer and execute a notarized contract, like a deed of absolute sale. Your main responsibility is paying the 6% capital gains tax to the BUR. Once that's settled, you'll get a certificate authorizing registration, or CAR, which is the golden ticket for the title transfer. For buyers, your first step is due diligence. Verify the title at the Registry of Deeds and check tax payments at the assessor's office. Once you've paid in full and signed the deed of sale, you'll handle the documentary stamp tax and transfer tax. With the CAR from the seller, you can finally transfer the title to your name. It's a step-by-step process, but being informed is your best tool. For more detailed tips, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.